This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing any power source so no current flows while you work. Once done, remove the base screws and gently separate the shell. Keep screws organized so reassembly is exact. You should document sensor orientation and cable routing with a quick photo. This helps you reconnect everything correctly. Make sure to handle ribbon cables carefully and avoid touching PCB traces. This step prevents accidental damage and speeds the rest of the repair. You'll now clean and examine the optical assembly so the sensor can read properly. Start with compressed air, then use a lint-free swab lightly moistened with isopropyl to remove grime from the lens and emitter area. This restores contrast. Next, inspect under magnification for corrosion, cracked solder joints, or loose connectors. If you find bad solder, reflow with a fine-tip iron. If pads are lifted, use adhesive or jumper wires. These measures fix common sensing failures. You finish by carefully reassembling and testing so you confirm the repair worked. Reseat every connector, align the shell and tighten screws in the original order, then reinstall power. Test the mouse on several surfaces and alternate USB ports to rule out host issues. If tracking is still poor, update firmware and retest. If problems remain, consider replacing the sensor module or PCB, or consult professional repair for component-level fixes. One quick troubleshooting tip: check for intermittent solder joints if performance is inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.